Action. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed the 3 problems in the do this, no?
Yes.
Now 4th problem. I am reading the 4th one. It is Tendulkar scored 184 runs in a match. Tendulkar scored 184 runs in a match and Yuvraj scored 48 runs less than him. How many runs did Yuvraj Singh scored in the match? You understand question? Huh?
Minus.
Means what should we do?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Why? Because here, what is the meaning here? Less than him, he said no.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Is there math textbook?
No.
Why? Okay, listen, tomorrow you bring. So, this is the page number 46, question number 4 now. So, you see example, Bari and Ahmad are playing cricket. Bari scored 10 runs. Ahmad scored 3 runs less than him. Means how many runs he scored?
Yes.
7. How do you get this answer? So means here also you have to do like that only, no? Huh? Now Bari becomes Sachin Tendulkar. So he scored 184 runs. Means what you will write here? What is the step you will write? Runs made by Tendulkar. How many runs? You know that. Will you write that?
Yes.
Take the notebook. Notebook also not there. Then what do you know here? Yuvraj Singh scored no. So what he said? Yuvraj Singh made 48 runs. Means something dash I am keeping here. Run less than Tendulkar. Now what are you going to find? How many runs made by Yuvraj Singh?
By Tendulkar.
So what should we do? Subtraction you will do and then you will write the answer here.
Tendulkar.
Okay?
Yuvraj Singh made.
So only steps you write here, answers you don't write here. That in your home, you have to write in your home. Only steps. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5 is, there were 545 kg of rice lying in the godown. Godown means, do you know?
Yes.
Big sheds are there. In that they were keeping the rations, these are rice, that all. So that is called as godown. In godown there are 545 kg rice is there. How much rice is there? 545 kg of rice. In that 228 kg. Sit properly. 228 kg were distributed to various shops. Some rice distributed, some rice sent to another shops. How much rice went to another shops? 228. Now how much rice is in the godown? What should we do?
Subtraction.
Because some rice went away, no? Means gone. Gone means what should we do? Subtract. Come and join means addition. Gone means subtract. So what are the steps you will write now? First step, you know, rice. Rice is in some rice in godown, no? So what you will write? The rice. No, don't write now only. Wait some time. Listen first.
Sir, question also, answer also write it.
Sign is there, that's why I have written. So the rice in Godam. How much rice is there in Godam? You have to write now. Not now. When I am saying this. The rice is the Godam is how much you have to write here. Next step, what you have to write? The rice distributed. The rice distributed. You have to write there. Now finally, what are we going to find here? The rice left. The rice left in Godam. So what should we do? You know that. You should do the subtraction and you have to write the answer. Okay. Next, sixth one. Not now. What I am saying. When I say to you start writing, then you write. Now question number 6. Vasudha went to shopping. See the textbook. You see the textbook when I am reading. Vasudha went to shopping with her mother to buy clothes. Who went to shop?
Vasudha.
With whom?
Mother.
With her mother. For what purpose?
Clothes.
To buy the clothes. Okay. They bought one saree. What is the cost of the saree? 512 rupees. 512. And one salwar suit material. That is for how much you know? 309 rupees. And he is asking to you what is the total amount they spent on the clothes. Addition. Because he is asking total money, no? Total cost he is asking. So what should we do? You have to find out the
Addition.
Okay, what are the steps you will write? Can you say to me? What is the first step you will write? Sorry. What is the first step you will write?
Money they spent on saree.
Very good. Money spent on saree. Very good. Money
Spent on saree.
On saree. You know how much? Second step.
Money spent on salwar.
Money spent on salwar suit. You know that is also how much? Now what should we write? Final step.
Total money spent.
You have to be practice these steps also. Then what should we do? You know that we will do the addition and we will write the answer. Okay, now write only steps. Only steps only. Okay, now question number 7. Shreya has 149 rupees in her purse. She needs to give the shopkeeper 268 rupees. How much more money does Shreya need to pay to the shopkeeper? You understand?
Yes.
Shreya has 149 rupees in her purse. How much money is there with her? 149 rupees. How much she have to give to shopkeeper?
268
rupees. Can she give?
No.
Why problem? What is the problem?
No money.
She have less money. She have
Less money.
how much less is there? He is asking. What should we do?
Subtraction.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You think one more example I am saying like that only. Arman has to give 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. Arman has to give 10 rupees to shopkeeper. But he have 8 rupees only. But he have 8 rupees only. Then how much extra he need to give?
2 rupees.
How do you get the 2 rupees?
Subtraction.
By subtraction. You have to do the subtraction. So now I will write the steps. First what you will write now in this problem? How much money she have to give to shopkeeper we will write first. Okay. What you write steps say to me? The money should give to shopkeeper. Then what you will write? Second step. The money she has. The money she has. That you will write here. How much money she need to give to shopkeeper?
269 rupees.
How much money she has?
149.
So now what are you going to find? How much extra money is needed? No. The money needed extra. The money needed.
Extra.
So how do you get this answer? By doing the
Subtraction.
Okay. Okay. Write this step. Go. Okay. Next, another topic is there. You see, let us estimate again. Yesterday you have done the estimate.
Yes.
Like that, again you are estimating, but here what numbers are there? You know, big numbers are there. Yesterday small numbers are there. Today big numbers are there. Means you have to take that time 84 means you are taking 80. 92 means you are taking
90.
49. Then you are taking 50. Like that, no. Now we have to take the close 100. Big number, no. That's why you have to take the close 100. Suppose you see 725 is there. Which is the closest 100 for that?
800.
800 is closest or 700 is closest?
700.
It is in between 700 and 800. But which is closest for that? 700 is closest. 495. 500 is closer for this. 312. 300 is closer for that. So 975. 1000 is called as 1000. 1000 is closer. Means like that you have to take the closer 100. When it is 2-digit number, you will take closer 10. This is here 3-digit numbers are there in our problem. That's why what you will take? Closer 100. We will take the closer hundreds. Then we will do the addition or subtraction. Whatever is needed. Addition is needed, we will do the addition. Subtraction is needed, we will do the subtraction. Okay, shall we read the questions here?
Yes.
I will read the question, you only find the answer and you can write there only. No need to write this in the notebook. In textbook only you can fill. Play, don't play, man. Just 5-6 members are there. Out of them, if you play, I can't find. Fold the hands. Whenever the work is there, you let, otherwise fold the hands. Just watch it and read. Say. Okay, question number 1. Rajendra has 618 rupees. Rajendra has 618 rupees. And his brother Ravi has 321 rupees. About how much money do they have in all? About how much money do they have in all?
900.
Means what should we do? Addition. Estimate only. Estimate means not exact answer.
940.
I am saying to you, make close to 300 hundreds. No.
900.
What I am trying to do, don't do answer. First only what you do, write the closest hundreds. What is the closest 100 for this?
900.
For 618, what is the closest 100?
600.
600 is closer. For 321, what is closer?
900.
Then find the total.
900.
So like that you say the answer. First make closer. First find the closer. Then after do the addition or subtraction. Then it is easy. Their answers are there. You can tick there only.
900.
Second question. Textbook answers are there. You can tick there only. Second question. Ranga earned 268 rupees in a day. 268 rupees in a day. And spent 99 rupees on food. Then how much money did Ranga save in a day? Do you understand question?
Yes.
This much he earned. Earn means getting. Then this much he spent. Spent means purchased. How much is left he is asking.
400. 400.
He earned this much. He spent this much. Earn means what? By doing work he got money.
200.
By doing work he got this much money. Means what money he got? We are going to making close now. What is the close number for this? 200 close.
300.
300 is the closer. Estimate no, that's why closer numbers you are taking. And what happened? 99 rupees he spent for the food. 100. Spent means you know that he purchased. How much is saving means remaining only saving no. Remaining how much is remaining means what have to do?
200.
Subtraction will do. So 300 minus 100 will be 200. So what will be the answer? 200. I think if the answers are there, you can take them. Now. Okay, next question number C3. About how much more is 904 than 418? Do you understand question? This is more than that. How much more is asking?
Subtraction.
What should we do? Subtract. Now numbers. This is closer.
900.
This is closer.
400.
Now you say how much it is more than that?
500.
500. So take the answer. All videos are only coming. Okay, next question D. There are 467 kg of wheat and 376 kg of rice in Godown. In Godown, wheat is there, rice is there. Where is your textbook, boy? Why, where is it gone? Then you have to ask me now again. Before going, you ask me. So 467 kg wheat is there, 376 kg rice is there. About how many kgs of grain are there in the godown is asking. Totally how much is there is asking. Means what should we do? Addition. So how much is there here? You see 467 kg rice, 376 kg rice. Means first what should we do? Which is closer to 500. This is closer to
400.
total is asking. So means how much it is? So I think you are understanding. Estimate means what should we do? Take to the closer numbers and then we have to do the addition or subtraction. 2 digit means closer 10 you have to take. 3 digit means closer hundreds you have to take. 2 digits means closer tens. 3 digits means closer 100. Okay, one more question. About how much is sum of 589 and 218? Sum of. Do you know what is the meaning of sum? S-U-M, sum. Addition. Sum means what should we do? Addition. What is the closer number for this?
600.
What is the closer number for this? What is the sum of this? 400. Sum means addition. Okay? Difference means subtraction. S-U-M, sum means addition. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference means subtraction. Okay? Okay, last question. About how much more is 386 than 298? So here 386 is more than 296. No, 98 no. How much more is asking? Means what should we do?
Addition.
This is more than this. How much more? Subtraction, man. You see, 50 is more than 40. How much more? 10 more, no. Means how are you getting? Here also like that only, no? So here it is closer to.
400.
This is closer to.
300.
is how much more than this? 400 is more than 300, no? How much more?
100.
How much more? Means what should we do? Subtraction. 400 minus 300 will be 100. So you got 100. All are middle only. Okay. Okay, I think you have done this. You can understand now. So one more topic is there here. We will discuss here. Listen. You see here, when we are adding two numbers, 3 plus 6, what answer you will get?
9.
If you change these places and add also, we will get 9 only, no? 3 plus 6 also 9, 6 plus 3 also 9. Means like this also you can add, like that also you can add. 14 plus 17 also you can do, or very good. 17 plus 14 also you can add. You will get the same answer now. 25 plus 75 also you can add. 75 plus 25 also same answer you will get. Like that he is giving like this. 12 plus 9 is equal to dash plus 12. 9 plus 12. 17 plus 14 is equal to 14 plus dash. I think you can fill these blanks. Yes? This is the page number 47. Fill the blanks now only. Those are finished, okay? If you didn't finish, you finish now. Okay? So we are going to complete. We have completed up to page number 47. So complete all the pages up to 47. Tomorrow we will start the exercise.